So you want to make a Freddy Friday video. Let's begin.
Step 1, go ahead and grab yourself a camera.
Then you're going to go ahead and grab yourself a Freddy.
So then you're going to go ahead, take your Freddy, and just place him in the scene where you want him to be. And then you're going to go ahead. So you're going to take the files that you want for that week. You're just going to put them right in there. We're good. So then all you have to do is press start.
Hi everyone, it's Ranger Freddy. Today, let's learn about our amazing desert tarantula. This is Ranger Freddy.
And this is Ranger Jordan.
And we make the Freddy Friday videos.
So the first step in the process is Freddy and I will sit down and we'll talk about video ideas for the upcoming weeks. And over some time, Freddy will go out into the field and start filming some of those clips. And then he usually trims them down to size or gets them in order for me, and then he'll get those files to me so I can put them on the computer and do any other necessary edits that need to be done. I usually take those files and I'll put them into Adobe and edit from there, add captions, adjust color and sound and whatnot. And then we'll go ahead and put them on social media platforms like Instagram so that they're ready for you. And it looks a little bit something like this. So I'll take those files that Freddy gives me and I'll throw them onto the computer. Usually I'll upload them into Adobe and start trimming them if they need to be. Put them in the right order, add any graphics that need to be added, and then I'll usually start editing the audio, adjusting the color if need be, give it a couple of view-throughs, and if it looks good, I'll start adding the captions, making sure that everything's spelled right, that the audio lines up, and once everything looks good, I'll give it a couple more run-throughs, and it's ready to be saved. And there it goes on the phone, and to whatever social media platforms we usually choose, which tends to be Instagram for Freddy Fridays, but it's as simple as getting the content ready, writing what we want to write, and sending off to you, our lovely supporters. So thank you for everything you do. Thank you for watching. See you next week. Take care.